Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain you about the experiment number 1 of our web technology lab. So here is the website and I'm going to explain you the code behind it. Okay, so let's go for the source page. Now here, so basically what we're doing here is we're creating an HTML because HTML markup. HTML is hypertext markup language, which is used to design the structure of a web page. Now, this is the basic boilerplate of HTML. That is HTML head, then body, then we'll closing each tag. Now, let me tell you about head. Why do we use head? Basically, we use head to give title, and if at all we want to include any other file like the JavaScript file or the CSS file, that is why we use head here, head tag. Now this is the body. This is where we show the content over here. Now, first we have used the header h1. This is the header tag. This is actually the biggest header in the HTML. This is heading 1. Now this is a div tag, that is we are creating a division here. This header 2, it will be the size will be smaller than this, the font of this, the font size will be smaller than header 1. Then this is a paragraph tag, that's why we have included a paragraph here. Now next is this is pre-tag. Why do we use pre-tag? Is because whenever we want to display a predefined text, that is if at all this thing is this line is having a predefined font, so if at all we want to display it like that, then we'll use predefined tags. This is an anchor tag where we can link web pages together. This is an attribute of anchor tag href. Similarly, we have created multiple links over here. This is another p tag. Next is your definition, the data definition. What we are doing is we are putting a separation between these things, PHP, and we are separating. We are defining that this is server side link. That is where we are using the DL and DT tags. And now we are using a list tag over here. List tag is an unordered list. That is why we wrote UL, and that only we display it like we display each and every element by using the line tag. So whenever we want to use an unordered list, we use UL, and whenever we want to use ordered list, we use OL. And if at all we want to specify the type of it, then we'll just write type 1. So it will be like if an ordered list is of type 1, then it will be like 1, and the next item will be starting from 2, so it will be ordered. Same thing goes for if we want the unordered list to be in a certain way, that is a certain type, then the uh, then we can specify it in the type attribute. That is, if it all we want a square, then we are just displaying a square here. We'll specify. Same thing goes for type A also. Now same thing what we're doing here is we're creating, now here we are using an anchor tag and we're giving this subheading a name over here. Why did we do that? I'll explain while in the end. Now this is a table tag. Table tag is used to structure the tables in the web page. This is a border tag. We can specify the border attribute. Specify the border cell padding. Cell padding is basically the distance between your border and the content, cell content. So this is how this is dr tag displays the row, specifies the rows. Td is the content, that is the column. Now next is we're closing the table tag here, then we're closing the div tags also. Again, now this is the main part here. Why did we use name? We used name over here, we are giving it in the anchor because what we can do is, in the end, what we are doing here is we are in the href attribute we're specifying the name over here, hash 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 and this name s3. So what will happen is whenever we click it subheading 3, it will go to subheading 3, subheading 2 it will go to subheading 2, whenever we clicking subheading 1 it will go to subheading c. The page has been redirected to subheading 1. Now we'll just test the hyperlinks also, and we just clicked. His email is opening, so the hyperlinks are also weak. So that is it for the first experiment. It's a basic thing. Thank you for watching.